Your fire comes out like a straight line.
Straight liner?
Yeah.
Get off me, boy.
Did you hit it?
I hit it.
Man, what a
Well, baby.
You hit it already?
I should have that dog shot.
I'm off today. I'm off.
I got hit by it.
Go, babe.
What are we shooting?
Frankenstein.
Whatever.
That piece of wood.
Hold on it.
Huh?
On Frankenstein?
Yeah.
Magazine, right?
Yeah, but still it hurt.
Shoot it. Keep shooting it real fast. Here. Keep it on.
Double tap. Pop, pop. One target.
You can't even see anything.
Double tap.
Yeah, you can.
Right here, I'll show you. Double tap. Double tap it, Mark.
Double tap. Yeah, he hit them both.
All at the same time.
Triple tap. 1, 2, and 3. There you go.
That's all you got is extra bullets, bitch.